What's up? What's up? Look into the camera. All right, on today's episode. Hey, look, it's not raining. We are going to build bomber seats. Woohoo! Now, full disclosure, these are not going in a bomber. I'm sorry. I didn't actually lie. It's just what they call them. What can you do? So, anyways, let me get these things out of the boxes and we'll get started. Peace out. And I'm back. What's in the box? Ooh. Cushiony goodness. Alrighty. All right, I need some tools. Alrighty. Well, this seems way too friggin' simple. What the hell? What's up, John?
Yeah, brought you a piece of wood.
Sweet.
Hopefully it works. Actually made two of them
And a
there,
spare. That'll make the wife very happy.
just in case the other one's ready to go.
What could possibly go wrong?
Everything. Absolutely everything.
Building some bomber seats.
That's what's gonna go in there, huh?
Yeah.
How'd your racing go?
We didn't break anything. The car wasn't as fast as I expected, but
Did you have fun?
it was hot.
Oh,
It was miserable.
I told Teresa, I said, God, I'd hate to be sitting up there in that place.
Yeah.
It's that hot out.
It definitely took the fun out of it.
Yeah.
But all in all, it was a good time.
You didn't have your motor home with the air conditioning and everything?
No.
Your fancy trailer with air conditioning?
The trailer has an AC unit in it, and it worked for about 5 minutes and then quit. So that needs a little bit of exploration still.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a frickin' hot weekend.
Yeah. Yeah, the car went 1225, but I think the torque converter's either not right or broken or something, so ordered up a new one. It's here somewhere. Maybe next weekend I'll get around to tossing it in there.
And you got any more races coming up, or?
Yeah, they run till the end of October or something. So I'll get her figured out.
Battery power tools, great.
Yeah. I was expecting this to take way longer, but now this has turned into way too easy of a job, so I'm gonna have to figure out something else to do.
Well, something must be going wrong then.
I got a carburetor in the dip. I was waiting on, I was like, oh, I got an hour to kill, I'll put these seats together. I think I'm gonna be able to milk this for an hour.
Hey, you can go put the swing together.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta go over and get ready to go to the fair. The wife wants to go to the fair and meet the kids first.
Get your demolition derby tickets?
Nope,
What the hell?
I'm not gonna sit in those hot ass stands.
Well, it's nice now they start at like 7.
Yeah, my daughter and husband and grandson are going to that. The wife can't take too much of that. Past couple of days, she's been having more pain, heart pains. Don't know what the hell's going on. Just to let me know she still has the heart, right?
Guess it goes like that. Look at that, one bomber seat.
Hey. That's gonna fit in there with the tranny right in the middle, huh?
Oh, that's a good question.
Yeah, right. Don't think so.
We just need to stretch the body a little wider.
There you go. Cut a little out of the seats. Raise it up and put the damn drive shaft underneath.
Yeah. Yeah, we should be building 4x4s instead of lowriders.
Right. A little bit cooler weather is fine with me.
Yeah, the sun just blasts in here in the afternoon.
It's pretty damn hot.
Takes the fun out of it.
I drywalled my shop and haven't done the ceiling though. I drywalled it. I put insulation foam, 1.5 inch foam, up on those things
Yeah.
for winter time to keep it warmer in there. It's nice to have the light, but you better not hit your elbow on the edge.
At least they're fairly comfy. Find some of these for the 55.
Now can you get that edging stuff that slips over and put
Yeah.
down that? No, that's not hurt like hell.
Hey, you only get cut once, then you figure it out.
Yeah. Okay, well, you have a good rest of your day.
Alrighty, thanks for the
Yep.
little bench
Like I
pieces.
say, hopefully it works.
Yeah. Sweet.
I thought I'd make two while I was doing it, just in case the other one's bad.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Great. You have a good one.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Neighbor made me some wood pieces for the wife's little bench that broke. Bam! It's nice having good neighbors. Thanks, John. Boy, is he gonna be surprised when he's on YouTube in about an hour. Alright, so these seats came from Hell's Gate Hot Rods. They don't come with any instructions because I'm sure that they assume that if you're building yourself a rat rod, you're not a complete idiot. If you can't figure out how to build these seats, you shouldn't be touching a car. And yes, I'm referencing the guy that built Kyle's car the first time. Eventually I'll get a phone call from that guy telling me to quit being mean to him. Yeah, so it's going to take longer to download this video than it took to build these seats. But I don't think I'm going to edit this video. I'm just going to let it play about 20 minutes. You all can be as entertained as I have been. Voila! Yeah, these are actually pretty nice little seats. Got some cool little rivet stuff. Got some bead rolling going on. We got some raw wood on the back. Probably end up taking these apart and staining that or painting it or something. But anyways, yeah. Destined to go Kyle's Rat Rod of Doom. All right, well, that's enough, guys. Peace.